This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus drop test. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Twitter so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Also, if you're interested in seeing how the S23 Ultra did during the drop test, make sure to check out the S23 Ultra durability and drop test video which I did earlier, and I'll place a link on the video and in the description. I'll start off by dropping it on the screen from waist height onto the concrete floor. Let's see how well this does compared to the S23 Ultra. Already off the first drop, we can see that the screen has cracked. I was honestly hoping at least the flat screen of the S23 Plus would not crack from the first drop at waist height, but I guess my hopes were misplaced. The screen still works fine. Now for the second drop. I'll drop it on the back from waist height. Taking a look, we can see that the back has also cracked. The camera lens seems to be unaffected. And the screen is still working fine. For the third drop, I'll drop it on the bottom rim of the phone. There is some minor scrapes from the bottom corner impacting the concrete ground. The rest seems to be pretty much the same and the screen is still operational. For the final drop, I'll attempt to drop it on the side of the phone's frame. We can see additional scrapes or gashes in the frame from where it hit the ground. The screen still works fine. So, comparing it to the S22 drop test from last year, I can't really say I see any improvements. And compared to the S23 Ultra, again no major improvements that I can see. At least the camera bezel design change on the S23 Ultra was an improvement from the S22 Ultra, since the camera lens didn't shatter from the drop. But when talking about the S22 and S22 Plus from last year, they already had a thick bezel or border around the camera lens to begin with, so the S23 Plus is pretty much unchanged as far as durability goes for the drop tests. And yeah, regular glass will always break, but there are other phones with more durable glass or protection which can withstand drops like this. For example, the Kunlun glass that Huawei uses on the Mate 50 Pro. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.